This is my ice cream DQ, guys. His Nicholas doesn't like it. This is why you give me. I thought you don't like it. I told in a video you don't like it. Then now you lick my ice cream. This is combo for the kid meal. Stop licking my ice cream. Okay, yes. You like it now, eh? Okay. It's my favorite. Oh my god, so good.
That's not fair.
What's not fair? You said you don't like it. You have chicken nugget and French fries. Then now you're eating your
But you get
treat.
that before I get it.
You can get after.
But that's not fair.
That's not fair.
You're not fair.
So good. If you can lick it, I can share. Don't bite it. Just lick it, I said. Shh. Lick. Like that, not bite. Nom nom nom. Don't finish my ice cream.
I make it to circle again.
You have your own drink there, look. It is Spider-Man. Spider-Man drink.
That
Why
is
you
not
don't-
Spider-Man.
It's good the cone, eh? Hi guys, nandito kami sa Dairy Queen, guys. Nakita niyo ba yung Dairy Queen doon? Kasi mag-ice cream kami, guys. Hindi kami pupunta dito pag hindi kayo mag-ice cream, guys. Ice cream lang ang tinda nila dito, pero may french fries at saka hamburger na din. Show the camera, Nick. You finish all my ice cream?
No. It's still somewhere.
It's a big before, guys, and then Nicholas will eat it all.
Now it's a circle.
So good. Maybe next time I gonna get again like this. The next time come here, get your kid meal, then I will eat again the treat for your kid meal. That's good. Oh my god, so good.
I need to take a shit.
Go in there, washroom there.
No,
Go.
If I go out to eat,
We went already one time there. Happy, taste good.